Welcome to the Meat Manifesto channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm going to be changing the radio on my VW T4. This is a sort of stock tape cassette. Obviously no CD, no Bluetooth, no auxiliary input, so I really want to put something in a bit more modern. So at the moment, if I want to play music from my phone, I've got this little Bluetooth receiver that plugs into the cigarette lighter. It's good for charging the phone as well, but the only trouble is the signal ain't the best on it, so you get a lot of interference with like engine noise and stuff. So I decided to go a bit more 21st century. I bought this Pioneer DEH S420BT. So it's got a CD player and a Bluetooth. I still like using CDs, so why not? Bluetooth connects with Spotify. It's also got a USB connection as well, so let's give this a go. Okay, so first thing I've got to do is remove the old stereo. I've got one of these keys. I can't find the other one, so I've got to try and do it with one. It should be fun. Yeah, voila. Hold on out. So I bought this radio from Halfords. I paid about £70 for it. I think it was 68 quid. Not this one, the Pioneer. And I had it out in the shop and they showed me that the connections on the VW, if I can get this one out, should fit straight on. There we go, that's the old one out. So 1980s tech, we don't need you anymore. Let's put it down there. So this is the newer one, a bit more schwankier looking. So I've got to put that cage into there, push these little pins back to lock it into place, and this should slide in. I've also got a aerial adapter, so I'll put that in now. Even though the aerial's broken, it don't work that well, but I'll be using it for more the Bluetooth, playing music off my phone. Okay, so first thing, get the little cage bit in. One thing that does annoy me with these VWs is there's no ignition live. So when you turn your ignition off, you've got to manually turn the stereo off. So if anybody's got any suggestions for fixing that, let me know. And this is going to be a tight fit. Okay, so I've had to have a bit of a wrestle with this. I think I've won, hopefully. What I've had to do is take this out. That was sticking out, it's a little bit too high. So what I had to do, I had to take this little panel out, which is a part number 7D0858285. That sort of sits in there, and this clips onto that, but with that in, I can get the stereo in there, the casing. So now we've got that in, that should wedge it in a bit anyway, so we should be okay. Whether I've got enough clearance on the bottom. Should be fine, yeah, so there we go. So what I'm going to do now is bend these little tabs back and wedge them into place. Right, so I don't think that's going anywhere now. Right, so this should be a straight fit on. I believe you've got to keep the red to the red, the yellow to the yellow. There's a microphone. This does come with a hands-free microphone, but to be honest, I don't really use them, so I won't bother putting that in. I think it plugs in on the back there. But there's two outputs, left and right. I think it's a subwoofer one there. So you can always add more, you know, amps and whatever to it. So let's get the aerial in. Power supply. Right, so let's get the plugs connected. So that's the speaker. That's the speakers. This is the power one. Right, so that's the speakers. That's the power. There's only the front speakers at the minute. Put the aerial in, even though they don't work. If I do fix the aerial, I know it's there. in. Oh, powered up. Oh, there you go. Snug fit. Let's just connect my phone. It's got Bluetooth. Source. Okay, so that's connected. So another thing I wanted to know is whether I can charge. Some USBs are only input. I want to see if this actually carries a charge. So I can charge my phone. Yeah, charge my phone. Okay. Sweet. So there you go. Nice and easy. So we've got rid of that 1980s spec VW tape cassette. Replaced it with a all singing Bluetooth Pioneer radio. Again, this was the Pioneer DEH S420BT. I bought this from Halfords. £68 if I remember rightly. The one I did want was out of stock, so I went for this instead. So you've got hands-free calling, dual phone connection, USB and auxiliary, quick charge for Android. Okay, I didn't read that bit, so yep, sweet. 13 band graphic equalizer and subwoofer control. It's also got Pioneer Smart Sync, so I might look into that. Also got the Spotify thing. I'm not very good with technology, so I'll have to have a little play around with that, but looks like a pretty decent bit of kit, and actually the speakers do sound better. Won't play too much music because my video will probably get taken down for copyright. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If anybody knows how to turn these into ignition live, let me know. If not, it's not a biggie, because again I'll put it into a leisure battery later down the line. But yeah, looks a lot smarter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon. Peace.